Good evening, good evening, good evening, all of you. Let's just start the class. Yeah, pleasant evening. Very good. Please provide 7 October recording. See, about recording video, I have not got any information yet. So right now I cannot tell you about recording. Yesterday's recorded video you got? Okay, that's great. Okay, then I will ask them to provide you 7th October also. Yes, then I will ask them to provide you 7th October video recording also. This is class, I think, for all engineers. I don't know which all people are there, but I believe all are engineers. Okay. Rest, what is in my hand right now, what is in my hand, I have uploaded questions. What I have done in 2 class, I have uploaded questions on my Facebook page. Document I have uploaded on my Facebook page. You can search @Kumar Sam07. Today at 3 o'clock, I have uploaded one document, that is assignment 1, TCS assignment 1. Okay. Again, tomorrow I will upload TCS assignment 2, TCS assignment 3, 4. I will keep on updating there. But about recording, I cannot tell you. I will not, I don't have right now this recording video. That is going to one team, and I will see if that will be possible. I will try to upload this recording video also. But right now you can go to this page. You just like that page. When I will upload again tomorrow things, you will be getting notification. Video session right now, I cannot tell you about video session, video recording. I will clarify, as some of you are saying, some of you got, some of you did not get. So I will clarify about video recording. I will clarify. Answer, many question answer will be provided, many question option will be there, many question option will not be there. So you have to just try to solve question. Check in Google, check with your friends, discuss with your friends and try to solve that. Fine. So yesterday I started number system. And this is again one of the very important topic for TCS, from where they pick questions. No, I don't. Shambhu Kumar page, you will get this page, okay? Shambhu Kumar page, you will get this. Yes, somebody shared yesterday video link. Somebody there he had shared. Okay. Fine. So this is one YouTube link. Okay, that all thing I will clarify you later. Let's start right now, class. Somebody gave me this video link. I don't know if it is there. You check. So yesterday I started number system. Okay, I will give you later. Now don't talk that. Don't talk. Okay, somebody sent me on this number 80. Somebody sent that link. Whoever sent that YouTube link, send me after class on this my WhatsApp number 8088522234. Okay, send me on this number. Whoever had sent that YouTube link. Avinash, you sent me after class, okay, on this number, that link. Fine. So yesterday I was doing number system, and this point was a number of zeros. Point was a number of zeros. Point was number of zeros. So now one last point you have to understand in number of zeros. One last point you have to understand in number of zeros, because one question I will show you which they had asked in 2018, I think. I discussed the permutation yesterday. Now, one simple question I want to ask you. This question will not come in TCS, but this we need to understand first before I give you actual question. So here question is, I'm writing uh, 48 multiplied by 250 multiplied by 36 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 35 multiplied by 25 multiplied by 10. Question is, question in this question here is, how many zero will follow in the product? Uh, question is, how many zero will follow in the product? How many zero will follow in product? I will get some very big number. I will get some very big number. So question is, in the end, how many zero will come? In the end, how many zero will come is the question. Okay. Fine. So see here, some of you I think may be answering correct, but other are wrong. Answer is not 2, answer is not 3, answer is so much more than that. Tell me one thing, how zero comes? Zero comes, how zero comes? How you get zero? How you get zero? When 2 multiplies with 5. Whenever 2 multiplies with 5, there comes 0. Whenever 2 multiplies with 5, you get 1 0 every time. So in any product, you have to find out how many pairs are there. How many pairs are there? Pair of 2 and 5. So I will find out how many pairs I have here. How many pairs I have here in this product which contains 2 and 5. So listen here, I will factorize all numbers. 48 is 16 into 3, 48. 16 is 2 to the power 4 into 3. 16 into 3, 48. Multiplied by 125. 125 is 250. 250 is 125 multiplied by 2. So 5 to the power 3 multiplied by 2. I'm converting each number in the form of a prime number. Multiplied by 36. 36 is 4 into 9. 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. 9 into 4, 36. Multiplied by 14 is 2 into 7. Multiplied by 35 is 5 into 7. Multiplied is 5 squared is 25. Multiplied by 2 into 5 is 10. So I have converted each number in the form of prime number. Now, how many 2's I have in this? How many 2's you can see in this? 4 times plus 1 time, 5 times plus 2 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9 times. 2 is 9 times, isn't it? So 2 to the power 9. Multiplied by 5 is how many times? 5 is 3 times here. 3 times plus 4 times. 4 times plus 2, 6 times plus 1, 7 times. 5 is 7 times. And rest numbers are 3. 3 has 3 how many times has appeared? 1 plus 2, 3 times plus 3 times. 3 is 3 times, right? 3 is 3 times multiplied by 7 is 2 times, right? 3 is 3 times and 7 is 2 times, right? 3 is just 2 times, isn't it? Three is 1 time here, 3 is 2 times here, so 3 is altogether 3 times. What you are saying, common are 7, so number of zeros in last is 7. Listen now, listen, yes. So how many pairs I can make in this multiplied terms? It is like 2 9 times, but 5 is only 7 times. So I can make here 7 times 2, 7 times 5. Rest, this all terms won't help anything to get 0. What 0 I will get will come from here. So 7 times 2 will multiply with 5, 2 will multiply with 5, 2 will multiply with 5. So there will be 7 zeros. There will be 7 zeros. Any doubt, anyone? In any multiplied terms, number of 0 depends on number of 2 and 5. How many times 2 and 5 will multiply? That will make 0. Okay, fine. Sir, explain once, please repeat. Okay. Whenever 2 multiplies with 5, there comes 1 0. I factorized here. In this step, I think you will not have any doubt, right? I just factorized here. This line I just factorized. 48, 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. So 2 is 4 times multiplied by 3. 2 is 4 times multiplied by 3. I factorized in first line. Second line, I just wrote accumulated how many times which term. 2 is 9 times, 5 is 7 times. I just counted which term is how many times. And then finally, I have to make pair of 2 and 7. It is like 2 is like boy. 3, I have written 3 times only, right? You are asking 3 to the power 3, 3 to the power 3 hoga, 3 to the power 3 hoga. I have written 3 to the power 3 only. So, okay, fine. So, 2 is like boy, 2 is like boy, and 5 is like girl, suppose example. Total, there are 9 boys, 2 is like boy. Let's assume 2 is like boy, 5 is like girl. Total, there are 9 boys and 7 girls. I have to make pair of boy and girl. So how many pair I can make? 7 pairs I can make, isn't it? 2 boys will be left out. 2 boys will be left out who does not have girl to have pair. So this whole term, this 2, 3, 7, what is left out will not help anything to get 0. 0 will come just from this pair. 7 times 2 and 7 times 5 pair will make 7 zeros. Now listen here, second thing. So remember, only 2 and 5 will help to get 0. Only 2 and 5 will help to get 0. Now, suppose I write 10 factorial. So 10 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. So in this 10 factorial, how many times 2 I have? You can see 2 is 1 time here, 2 is 2 times here, 2 is 1 time here, 2 is 3 times here, and 2 is 1 time here. So 2 is total 8 times. 2 is total 8 times, right? In 10 factorial, 2 is total 8 times, 1 time here. In 4, it is 2 into 2. 6, 2 into 3, 1, 2 here. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. 10 is again 2 into 5. So altogether, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 3 plus 1, 8. 2 is 8 times. 5 is how many times in this? 5 is 1 time here and 1 time here. 2 into 5 and 1 time here in 5. So 5 is 2 times. You can see how many pairs I can make in this 10 factorial. How many pairs I can make in this 10 factorial? I can just make 2 pairs. I can just make 2 pairs. 1 second, I'm getting called. Hello. Yes. Yes. No, right now I'm not free. Actually, you have to call between 3 to 3:30. Right now, I'm having some work. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Fine. So I will get 2 pairs. So yesterday, so there will be 2 zeros. Now, one thing you can observe, when I write continuous numbers, when I write consecutive numbers, so in that consecutive number, always 2 will be so much more because 2 comes in every alternate numbers. 2 comes in every alternate numbers. But 5 comes once in 5 numbers. So always 5 will be less than 2. In consecutive number, always 5 will be less than 2. 5 will be less because 5 comes in 5 number one time. But 2 comes in every alternate number. So if I write consecutive numbers, always 2 will be more than 5. So number of 0 will only depend on number of 5. So number of 0 will depend only on number of 5. And that is the reason yesterday I told you to calculate number of 0. So in number of 0, I was calculating only number of 5. How many 5? That many 0. Okay, in continuous terms, how many 5? That many 0. And yesterday I told you to calculate number of 5. Yesterday I told you number of 5 will be n by 5 to the power 1 plus n by 5 to the power 2 plus n by 5 to the power 3 and dot dot dot. Okay, this was formula to calculate number of 0. Actually, that is number of 5. Now one question I will give you, which was in 2019, I think, which was in 2019 from this point. Question is 1 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3 into 4 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 5 into dot 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 30 to the power 30. Question is how many 0 will come in this? How many 0 will come in this? For non-consecutive number, there is no pattern. Okay, pattern is for consecutive numbers. For non-consecutive numbers, you have to find out how many 2, how many 5. So in this, you have to tell me, here I gave you consecutive numbers. This was in 2019 paper. I will tell you, all of you are answering wrong. Yesterday, what I said was number of 0 also and the number of 5 also. Number of 5 is same as the number of 0, Varshita, okay? Number of 0 is same as number of 5. Both are same, both are equal. Okay. Okay, I believe some of you are answering, but still many of you are answering wrong. As it is consecutive number, so I have to just find out how many 5s are there in this. I have to just find out how many 5s are there. So first 5 will come in 5 to the power 5 term. So how many 5 we have here? 5 times. 5 to the power 5, I have 5 times. 10 to the power 10 will come in next. So in 10 to the power 10, it is 2 into 5 to the power 10. So here 5 is 10 times, isn't it? 5 is 10 times. Now next will come in 15 to the power 15. That is 3 into 5 to the power 15. So again 5 is 15 times. Next 20 to the power 20. That is 4 into 5 to the power 20. And now we have 20 times. Now 25. 25 to the power 25. Can you tell me how many times in this 25 to the power 25? 25 into 25 is 5 to the power 5 to the power 25. So you can see that 5 to the power 50. So in this we have 50 times. In this we have 50 times. Finally 30 to the power 30 will give 6 into 5 to the power 30, and that will be 30 times. So altogether 50 plus 30, 80, 80 plus 20, 100, 115, 125, 130. So total 130 0 will come. There will be total 130 zeros in this. Is that clear? Is that clear? 130 0 in this. So finally we completed number of 0. This point is over. Deepak, Karuna, I'm just calculating where which all term contains 5. Fifth term will contain 5. How many times 5 we have? I calculated 5 times because its power is 5. Next 5 will come in 10. Next 5 will come in 15th term. Next 5 will come in 20th term. Okay. Next 5 will come in 25th term. Next 5 will come in 30 term. So altogether I calculated how many 5 we have in this whole term. Okay. What if we don't have? See, listen, always 2 will come so much more than 130. 2 will come so much more than 130. Okay. You don't have to worry for 2. You don't worry for 2. Right now, please don't don't waste time in asking lot many this thing, that thing, this thing, that thing. Just what I'm teaching, just please listen. We don't have much time to clarify lot many doubts. Okay. What I'm teaching, just keep on listening, just keep on writing, make notes, okay? That will straight away help you. What you are asking is something which is not very important. I can explain, but right now we don't have enough time. Fine. So done, this point is done. Okay. Oh, 5 to the 5 into 5 to the power 25 is 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 1, 5 to the power 2 to the power 25. So 5 to the power what? 25 into 2 will be how much? 25 into 2 will be 50. So 25 to the power 25 has 55. Because 25 itself is 5 into 5. 2 5 is there. Okay. Ganga, you got? You got? Now, there comes one point now. Remainder theorem. There is one point now. Remainder theorem. This is again very important. I will tell you which question they had asked from this. Okay. Remainder theorem. Remainder theorem gives question how to clarify your all doubts. Why can't we use formula? Listen, Bhavna, formula is applicable only for factorial. Formula is applicable only for factorial. Okay, formula only for factorial, not for other than factorial. Chaitanya, 1 to the power 1 plus 2 to the power 2 plus. That I explained. How many times you want me to explain? Shall I waste my whole class in that explaining one question only? Tejashwini, you have wrong concept. A to the power m to the power, a to the power mn, correct. You are saying correct. This whole thing you don't know. A to the power m to the power m is equals to what? A to the power mn. A to the power m into a to the power n. That is equals to a to the power m plus n. This all you don't know. This whole thing is taught in 5th standard. In 5th standard, they teach this. 5th standard. If you just take 5th standard book or 6th standard, you will find this all. Okay, so remainder theorem. In remainder theorem, they ask a question like this. 16 to the power, let's say 85. 16 to the power, okay, let's take 84. 16 to the power 84 is divided by 7. 16 to the power 84 divided by 7. This number is divided, this 16 to the power 84 is divided by 7. Question comes, what will be remainder in this? What will come remainder in this? Can you try to find out what remainder will come? Okay. Fine. Fine. So few points I will explain you. I will explain you a few points and then I will come back to this question. Okay, fine. Obviously, manually it's impossible. So I have to tell you some method. I have to tell you some method how to find out. Fine. I will come to that question. Remainder should not be in decimal and all, okay? Remainder should be integer number. Let me explain you some basic point and then I will come to that question. If I'm dividing 38 into 45 into 90 into 40 into 30, this number is divided by 7. Or 38 plus 45 plus 90 plus 40 plus 30 is divided by 7. Now listen very carefully. Above number we have multiplied terms. So one method is I have to multiply this whole number. I will multiply this whole number. I will get very big number. And then that big number I will divide by 7. But that will be calculative method. Multiplication term will be very big. And then divide will be time taking thing. So instead of doing that, what we can do is, see here, I have 12 into 9 is divided by 7. One method I will multiply 12 into 9 is 108 is divided by 7. If you divide by 7, remainder will come 3. If you divide by 7, remainder will come 3. Instead of multiplying that and dividing, what I will do is individually I will divide each number. Individually I will divide each number. 12 is divided by 7, remainder will be 5 into 9 is divided by 7, remainder will be 2. That is divided by 7. So 5 into 2, 10. 10 is divided by 7. Remainder is 3. So instead of multiplying, you have to divide each number individually by 7. From each number, you have to see what remainder we have. And that finally, you have to again divide by 7. And that will give you final answer. Like 38 is divided by 7. 7 5s are 35, remainder is 3. 45 divided by 7. 7 6 are 42, remainder is 3. 7 is dividing 90. 12 7 are 84, remainder is 6. 40 is divided by 7. 7 5 are 35, remainder is 5. 30 is divided, so remainder is 2. Now you multiply how many terms you can multiply. 3 into 3, 9. 9 6 are 45. 45 into 10 is 450. Finally, now 450 is divided by 7. Remainder will be 2. Okay. Finally, remainder will be 2. We got remainder without multiplying that whole number. Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt, anyone? If there is multiplication term in between, I will write into. If there is plus term in between, I will write plus. That's all. Here I will write 3 plus 3 plus 6 plus 5 plus 2 divided by 7. So 3 plus 3, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 19 divided by 7, remainder is 5. So if there is multiplied term, you write multiplication term. If there is plus, you write plus in between them. Okay. Now I will move away from here. Only this thing I will be using. This is what I will be using. This is what I'm going to use. Okay, in that question, what I gave you. Whatever number you don't say, it should be this, it should be that. Method you have to understand. Okay, if I'm missing some number, some multiplication mistake, some addition mistake, you see method. Okay, don't look what number I'm writing. Now let's say that 36 into 36 into 36 into 36 into 36 is divided by 7. Can you tell me what remainder I will get? Can you tell me what remainder I will get? 1 remainder I will get. Perfect. Every time 36 will be divided by 7. 7 5s are 35. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1 to the power 5 is 1 only. 1 to the power 5 is 1 only, or whole things will multiply. Will give just 1. 1 is divided by 7. Finally, remainder will be 1. So in this, remainder is 1. So actually what you divided is, you divided 36 to the power 5 divided by 7 and you got remainder 1. You got remainder 1. Because every time 36 is getting divided, it will keep on giving one remainder, 1 to the power 5 divided by 7. 1 to the power 5, 1 will come out, 1 divided by 7, remainder will be finally 1. If I change 36 to the power 158, do you think now its remainder will be different? Do you think its remainder will be different? No, its remainder will be same thing. Its remainder will be here also 1. Its remainder will be again 1 only, right? Okay, perfect. So 1 point you got 1 point. You got 1 point now. You got 1 point. Similarly, if I even write 35 to the power 193 is divided by 17, remainder, what remainder you will say? Remainder will be 1, right? This is the first point. This is the first point when you are dividing and you are getting one remainder. So that will be the final answer 1. That will be the final answer 1. Okay, this was the first point. You understood this. Now I have to tell you, now I have to tell you, 0 will be remainder if like 34 to the power 190 I gave. So 34 is completely divided. So now remainder will be 0, right? Now next point, second point you have to understand, if 1 is not the remainder, if one remainder is not coming, like 16 to the power 35 is divided by 7. In this case, one remainder is not coming. So now you have to learn how to find out remainder, if it is giving different value. How to find out remainder if it is giving different value. Now you have to understand this. So it is like 16, 16, 16, 16, 16, 35 times. Every time 16 will be divided by 7, what remainder will come? 2 remainder will come, isn't it? So 2 to the power 35. Here every time 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 will come. That is divided by 7. Now, right now 2 cannot be divided by 7. Right now 2 cannot be divided by 7. So I have to take some power on 2. I have to take minimum power on 2 such that it should be divided by 7. I should take minimum power on 2 such that it should be able to be divided by 7. So what minimum power I can take? 3 power, isn't it? 2 to the power 3, 8 will come and 8 will be divided. Isn't it? 2 to the power 3, 8 will come and 8 will be divided. So I am going to take 2 to the power 3. So 35 I have to break in form of 3. I have to break 35 in form of 3. So 3 into 11, 33 plus 2, isn't it? If you will take 2 to the power 2, 4, then 4 will divide by 7, it cannot divide, right? Preeti, if you take 2 to the power 2, we will get 4. Can you divide 4 by 7? That is same thing. 2 I cannot divide, 4 also I cannot divide. So why I should take power 2? I should take power 3. So exactly it will divide, right? So 2 I am making bigger number. 2 I am making bigger number, so it should divide. Okay. Right now 2 cannot be divided by 7. Right now 2 cannot be divided by 7. So I have to take some power on 2 from this 35. I have to take some power on 2 from 35. So it should be divided by 7. If I take 2 to the power 2, I will get 4 by 7. It cannot be divided. If I take 2 to the power 3 by 7, so 2 to the power 3 will be 8. 8 can be divided by 7, right? So I am taking 3 power on 2. I am going to take 3 power on 2. So if I want to take 3 power, then 35. Then 35 I have to bifurcate in this manner. 35 I have to bifurcate in this manner. 3 power I want. 3 power I want. So 3 into 11, 33 plus 2 is left. So I will write like this. 3 into 11, 33 plus 2, 35. Any doubt in this step, anyone? That is divided by 7. That is divided by 7. Any doubt, anyone? Any doubt, anyone here? Now, finally, you can write 2 to the power 3 to the power 11 multiplied by 2 to the power 2 divided by 7. Can I say this? Can I write this? If you have something 2 to the power 3 plus 5, so what you can write? 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5, right? So that's what I have written. Now 2 to the power 3 will be 8. 8 to the power 11 multiplied by 4 divided by 7. 8 will give how much remainder? 8 will give how much remainder? 8 will give 1 remainder. 1 into 4 divided by 7. Now 4 is divided by 7. Finally, what remainder you are going to get? Finally, you are going to get remainder 4. This is one very important concept I am telling you. Very important concept. Even in GATE and all, they ask this question from this point, remainder theorem. GATE and all also they ask. I will ask you 1 or 2 questions on this, okay? I will ask you 1 or 2 questions on this. Yes, exactly. Remainder means exactly in this manner. How 1 into 4? 8 to the power 11. 8 is divided by 7. What remainder will come? 8 is divided by 7. What remainder will come? 1 remainder will come. 1 to the power 11. What will finally come out? 1 will come out. Right? 1 into 4. How much? 4. 4 is divided by 7. What remainder you will get? 4 cannot be divided. 4 cannot be divided. So that will remain as remainder 4. Sangeeta, 4 by 7. So 4 by 7. 4 cannot be divided by 7. So what remainder you will get? 4 cannot be divided. 4 cannot be divided by 7. What you will get? Remainder itself will be 4. You cannot divide it. Yes, this will help you for CDS. I have attended SSB in 2012. Prajwal, I have already attended SSB in 2012. I had cleared all the rounds. In medical. I got disqualified actually because of eyesight. In Bangalore itself, I had attended 2012 SSB. So CDS also it will help you. Not very much, but it will help you. Fine. Now I will ask you one question. You answer me. You answer me this question. I had given you 16 to the power, I think 84. 16 to the power 84 divided by 7. Tell me the answer. Okay, my number is this, 80. I gave you, my number is this. This is my number. So here what answer you will get? Yes. One will be the answer. I believe one will be the answer, I think. So 16 is divided by 7. So 2 to the power 84 is divided by 7. Now I want 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 3 into 28 is divided by 7. 2 to the power 3 to the power 28 by 7. That is 8 to the power 28 by 7. 8 is divided by 7. Remainder is 1. 1 to the power 28 by 7. Finally 1 by 7. And remainder will be 1. Finally remainder will be 1. Right? Final remainder will be 1. So you understood this. You practice some more question and it will be very much clear. This type of one question they had asked in 2019. One question like this they asked in 2009. Now this is not completely over. It is not. See, many things I have, but I cannot share. Many things I have, but I cannot share. There is some kind of I have some kind of kind of, you can say, some boundaries there. I cannot give you all the questions. So I will give you how much you need. 334, 334, last is 4. Now, if I give you this question, can you get me the answer? Can you get me the remainder? Can you get me the remainder from here? And 33 to the power 97 divided by 17. What remainder will come in this case? What remainder will come in this case? So we have one concept. Okay, you can solve by the method which I told you. You can solve by the method what I told you, but that will take some calculation here. Another method I have which will make it easier. So there is one concept. Negative remainder theorem. There is one concept, negative remainder theorem. So first I will explain you this simple concept, then I will ask you what will be the remainder. So if I ask you minus 27 is divided by 5, can you tell me what remainder will come? Minus 27 is divided by 5. Can you tell me what remainder I will get here? Okay. One is saying remainder 7. How 7 remainder will come when number is divided by 5? Okay, so good to know. I think nobody answered correct. Listen. Negative remainder doesn't exist. Stop writing negative. Negative remainder does not exist. Okay. First of all, there is no negative remainder. There should be always positive remainder. So see here, minus 27 is dividing by 5. If I take 5 ja, if I take minus 5 times, then I will get minus 25 minus, I am taking minus, but minus this will be plus, minus this will be plus. So plus 25 but minus 27, remainder is coming minus 2. But this one is not acceptable. Minus remainder not acceptable. So what I have to do? I have to change quotient. If I take it minus 6 times, then minus 30 and minus, it will become plus. Now plus 30 minus 27, remainder is 3 and 3 is positive. So when minus 27 is divided by 5, remainder is 3. Okay. Did you understand this? Means you were not knowing how to find out remainder. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to take multiple of 5 bigger than 27. Multiple of 5 bigger than 27 and then difference of that two number. Like 5 6 ja 30 and 27, difference is 3. So 3 is the remainder. Like if I tell you minus 28 is divided by 11, can you tell me what will be the remainder? Multiple of 11 bigger than 28 and the difference of that. So remainder will be 5. 11 3 ja 33 and 33 minus 28 is 5. If I tell you minus 1 is divided by 17, what remainder I will get? What remainder I will get? 16. Perfect. 16 remainder I will get. Perfect. Perfect. 16 remainder I will get. That's all. That's all. Now listen here. When 6 into 6 into 6, I am dividing by 7. Normal method 216 is divided by 7. Remainder is 6. Remainder is 6. This is normal method. If I use negative remainder concept, 6 cannot be divided by 7. 6 cannot be divided by 7. But even though not able to be divided, I'm trying to divide. So I will take 7 1 just 7. Minus 1 will come remainder. I know minus 1 is not acceptable. But just as one step, I can use negative remainder. Just as a step of the uh, answer, as one step, I can use negative remainder. So 6 will be divided by 7 minus 1. 6 will be divided by 7 minus 1. 6 will be divided by 7 minus 1. So minus 1 is 3 times. What will come out? Minus 1 will come out. Finally, remainder I have to write positive. So minus 1 divided by 7, remainder will be 6. So negative remainder I can use as a step of the question. In a step, as one step, I can use negative remainder, but my answer finally should come positive. Okay? So here I had this 6 to the power 3 divided by 7. So what I did is 6 is divided by 7, remainder is minus 1. Minus 1 to the power 3 is divided by 7. Minus 1 has odd number. Minus 1 has odd power. So minus 1 will come out. Remainder will be 6. But if I give you 6 to the power 4 is divided by 7. If I give you 6 to the power 4 is divided by 7. Then you will say minus 1 has power 4. Minus 1 has even power now. So 1 will come out. And remainder will be 1 in this case. Did you understand these two questions? So when odd number, when odd power, then minus 1 to the power odd number will come out. But when even number, even power, so minus 1 will give a positive 1. Positive 1 will come. How 6 is remainder? First you change your name. Okay? You don't like your name? You hate your name? That is not good. If you hate your name, you seriously, you will not go to certain height, I am telling you, in life, if you don't like your name. What you did not get, Harshita? What you did not get? Why only 1? How we get answer 1 in 16? Now I will explain you that. See here. 33 is divided by 17. 33 is divided by 17. Remainder can be 17, 1 ja 17, remainder can be 16. Or I will take 17 2 ja 34 and I can say remainder is minus 1. Both remainder is fine, but that should not be the answer. You can use this negative remainder as process step. So 33 is divided by 17, remainder can be minus 1. Okay. So now this question, minus 1 remainder to the power 58 divided by 17. So minus 1 to the power even number. Minus 1 to the power even number. What will come out? 1 will come out. 1 is divided by 17. 1 is divided by 17. So finally remainder will be what? 1 will only the remainder. So answer of first question is 1. Right? Answer of first question is 1. Yes, Chandana, Shoaib, it's fine. It is correct. But in second case, again, we have to do same thing. Now second one, minus 1 remainder, power is odd number 97. When power is odd number, what will come out from here? -1 will come out. When -1 is divided by 17, finally remainder will be 16. So this is one another method. This is one another method using negative remainder concept. Okay. No, Prakash, I will not explain you again. I will not explain same thing again and again. Now I will ask you one question. When a number x is divided by 13, remainder comes 12. What will be remainder when x to the power 13 is divided by 13? Can you answer me fast? When a number x is divided by 13, remainder comes 12. So what will be remainder when x to the power 13 is divided by 13? So yes, exactly correct. Exactly correct. So when x is divided by 13, remainder comes 12. Now, x to the power 13 is divided by 13. So again, x is giving how much remainder? X is giving 12 remainder. So 12 to the power 13 divided by 13. So 12 divided by 13, remainder will come -1. -1 to the power 13 divided by 13. That will come -1 and it will be 12. Answer will be 12. And now I will give you last question on this. That was again in 2019. This is one last question of this. This is one last question of this remainder. This is again from TCS. Find the difference between the remainders when 7 to the power 84, when 7 to the power 84 is divided by 342 and 344. This is again from TCS. Find the difference between the remainders when 7 to the power 84 divided by 342 and 344. That means 7 to the power 84 divided by 342 minus 7 to the power 84 divided by 344. Remainder here minus remainder here. What will be difference? Okay. So answer is what? So first I have to find out remainder in this two number. So as 7 is not divided by 342. So I have to take 7 to the power something. So what I should take 7 to the power something. So it will be divided on 7 what power I should take? 7 to the power 3 I can take, right? So 7 to the power 3 to the power 28 by 342 minus 7 to the power 3 to the power 28 divided by 344. So 343 to the power 28 divided by 342 minus 343 divided by 344. So in first case, remainder straight away will be 1. In first case, remainder will be straight away 1. Minus. Second case, 343 will give minus 1 remainder. This will give minus 1 remainder. Minus 1 to the power 28 divided by 344. That will also come as plus 1 only, isn't it? That will also come as plus 1 only. So my 1 minus 1 remainder will be 0. So remainder from both is 1 and difference will be 0. Minus 1 to the power 28 by 344. Minus 1 has even number. Minus 1 has even number. Listen, minus 1 has even number, Kalyani. Minus 1 has even power. So what will come out? 1. 1 divided by 344. 1 is divided by 344. Remainder is 1. So 1 minus 1. Kalyani, did you understand? It is not minus 1. Minus 1 has 28 power. So positive 1 will come out. I am taking 7 to the power 3. I have 7 to the power 84. If I want to take 7 to the power 3, then 3 into 28 is what? 84. 3 into 28 is 84. Complete power on 7 is 84. But I want 7 to be divided by 342. So I have to take 7 to the power 3. Now 343 is divided by 342, right? So this was last question on this. So some question I will tomorrow again on Facebook page, I will upload some question based on this concept remainder theorem, okay, which is from TCS. You have to solve that. Now enough remainder theorem. Okay, fine. So this remainder number system and all is over. Now probability. One point I will tell you from probability. One point I will tell you from probability. When this method used and negative remainder used, when minus 1 remainder will come, like 7 is divided by 8, 15 is divided by 8, then in this all case minus 1 remainder I can get. So in that case negative remainder can also be used. Negative remainder also can be used. Okay. Divisibility is remainder only. Divisibility is actually generally they ask question on remainder theorem. Divisibility rule is very simple thing that I will not explain you. Okay, combination is also left. Combination is also left. I will tell you 2 points from combination. Once they had asked question like this. This is from combination. Wait, probability I will come after a few minutes. 2 points I have to explain you in combination. 2 points I have to explain you in combination. In 2019, they had asked one question like this. Question was, from this 12 dot, from this 12 points, how many triangles you can draw? How many triangles you can draw from this 12 points? Like this one is one triangle. This one is another triangle. This one is another triangle. Question is, how many triangles you can draw by joining these 12 points? How many triangles you can draw by joining these 12 points? Okay. Nobody is answering correct. Nobody is answering correct. Nobody is answering correct. So this point is from combination number of triangles. Number of triangles. No, answer is not correct. Answer is not correct. Nobody answered correct. 12 factorial will be so much more. Okay, fine. Stop. Just give me 1 minute. I will explain you what small mistake you are doing. Many of you are answering 220. Many of you are answering 220. It is nearby 220. It is nearby 220, but not 220. It is nearby 220, but not 220. It is nearby 220. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Listen. Don't simply answer. You are trying to answer here, or you are here to learn. You learn now. You learn what mistake you are doing. See here, some points I am taking. Now, please don't answer. Don't send message. Don't send message. Let's say I have some points scattered in space. Let's say I have some points scattered in space. So by joining, how many points I can draw a triangle? How many points I have to join to get a triangle? I can join 3 points to get one triangle, isn't it? So P1, P2, P4 is one triangle. If I again join P1, P2, P3, then P1, P2, P3 is another triangle. Okay. Today's class I'm recording or not, I forgot. I forgot today's class. Oh, sorry, I forgot to record. I did not record actually. I forgot to record today's class. I forgot to record. Okay. Okay. So fine. Here, P1, P2, P4. P1, P2, P4 is like set of combination, right? Set of combination of 3 points. Set of combination from 3 points, isn't it? Set of like P1, P2, P4, P1, P2, P3, like this type of how many combinations I can select? How many combinations I can select? Nickel MP, I will not tolerate any kind of this, that things. Okay. If I will think anyone a small bad thing about you, that will seriously will be curse on you if you will try to like kind of this, that, or somebody, one more, some student, somebody has messaged something. Let me first stop these things. Dillu wale puch dene cha, Hemant be user. It means what? You can write anything, but somebody if trying to teach you dedicatedly, your every misbehave will come back to you. So don't try to disturb or don't try to misbehave anything. Okay, don't message anything bad. So fine. So here we are just trying to form combination of three points at a time. So I can say that out of n points, I can have NC3 combination, right? Out of n points, I can have NC3 combination. Now, you can see there are some points in a straight line. There are some points in a straight line. There are some points in a straight line. Do you think this all points will give any triangle? Do you think this all points will give any triangle? This all points will not give any triangle. This all point will give triangle with this, triangle with this. It will give triangle from here. It will give triangle from here. But these points will not give any triangle. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 points are collinear points. So that I have to subtract minus MC3. That I have to subtract. Total points NC3 minus I have to subtract MC3. MC3 is how many points are collinear. Like if I tell you here, I have 12 points total. I have 12 points total and 7 are collinear. Out of that, 7 are collinear. So you can say total triangles, you can say total triangles is equals to 12C3 minus 7C3. You can say total points are, total triangles are 12C3 minus 7C3. Any doubt, anyone? I have total 12 points. Out of that, if it is saying that 7 points are collinear. So 12C3 minus 7C3. That is given in question. This is given in question. I gave you this question. I gave you this question. Okay. How can we say, Akhila, how can we say 7 are collinear? I gave you the question. I asked you 12 points are total, 7 points are collinear. How many triangles you can draw? So you can say total triangles 12C3 minus 7C3. That will be the triangle. I'm coming now to another. I'm coming to that question. I'm not solving that question. I'm coming that drawing. Now I will come to that drawing. Now I will come to that drawing. See here. This is the question. So very first line I will write. Very first line I will write. I have 12 points. So 12C3. 12C3. Now listen here. These 4 points are collinear. These 4 points are collinear. These 4 points are collinear. Can I write for them minus 4C3 minus 4C3 minus 4C3? Can I write this? Can I write minus 4C3 minus 4C3 minus 4C3? This will not give any triangle. This set will not give any triangle. This set will not give any triangle. This set will not give any triangle. Okay? This set will not give any triangle. Because if I join this, it is not any triangle. If I join this, it is not any triangle. It is not any triangle, right? Now, instead of writing 4C3, 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 I can say 3 into 4C3. 3 into 4C3. Now, next set is this one. Next set is here 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 points will again give, will not give any triangle. So 4 set multiplied by in each set 3C3. Clear? Any doubt? What is left now? What is left now? Is there something left still? Is there anything left still? Diagonal is left. Diagonal is left. Diagonal is left. See here, one set is this. These 3 points will not give any triangle. These 3 points will not give any triangle. And these 3 points will not give any triangle. These 3 points will not give any triangle. So I have 4 sets in diagonal. Minus 4 into 3C3. It can be used to another geometric shape also. Okay, it can be used anywhere. So this will be 220 minus 3 into 4 minus 4 into 1 minus 4 into 1. That is equals to 220 minus 20, that is 200. Sir, how 3C3? 3C3. See, vertical only 3 points are there. Vertical 3 points are there, Ullas. Vertical 3 points are there. And for a triangle, everywhere we need 3 points. For a triangle, we need everywhere 3 points. And in vertical manner, 3 points we have. In diagonal manner also, I have 3 line in a straight line. 3 line I have in a straight line. But horizontally, I had 4 points in a straight line. Horizontally, I had 4 points in a straight line. So here I wrote 4C3. Okay. 2 point is a straight line, so always every point is a straight line. You cannot write 2C3. Can you solve 2C3? 2C3 can you solve? 2 line is a straight line, so everywhere everything is a straight only. For a triangle, I need at least 2. For a triangle, at least I need 3 points. For a triangle, I need at least 3 points. You cannot write 2C3. 2 point is never a straight line. 2 point is always a straight line, or 2 point is never a straight line. I write like this is also a straight. I write like this is also a straight. I write like this is also a straight. 2 point cannot be a straight. Yes, 2 times 3C3, 2 times 3C3, 1 time is for vertically points. 1 time, please listen now, stop Abhishek, and many of you are having doubt how 3C3, how C3C3. First set vertical, can you see 3 points I have in vertical manner? 3 points I have. How many like this set in vertical manner? 4 set in vertical manner. 4 set in vertical manner. Every vertical set, how many points? Every vertical set, how many points? 3 points. And for triangle, I am taking 3 points. Okay, so first set is for horizontal, first set is for horizontal, next is for vertical, next is for diagonal. Okay, next is for diagonal. Right, next is diagonal. Thank you, Sheikh. Now, did you get or not? Did you understand or not? Yes, collinear by yourself you have to take out. Okay, perfect. Now one next question I will give you. I will give you next question that is again same from TCS. This is also from TCS. One question this and another question asked like this. Another question they asked this one. They had asked this one. This was also in 2018 or 19. I think 2018. AB and AC are two lines. AB and AC are two lines. AB and AC are two lines such that AB contains 7 points and AC contains 8 points on it. How many triangles can be drawn such that they had given in bracket A, B, C, A, B and C are not included. A, B and C are not included. This is the question. Very simple question, very simple. This one is very simple. Once you try to tell me, I will draw a figure. I will tell you what is actually said here. This is very simple question anyhow. So A, B, C, A, B, C. Now, here we have on, there are 7 points on AC, such that AB contains 7 points. AB contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Question is how many triangles we can draw? I don't know you are answering correct or not. So triangles is equals to, first you have to take total points. First you have to take total points. Total are 15 points. So 15C3. First you have to take total points. Total points first you have to take all together. In that last question dotted, how many points were total? Total were 12 points. So always first step will be to take total points. First step will be to take total points. All set of points you have to take together. First step. Now, total 15 points. 7 points here, 8 points here. Total 15 points. Okay. ABC not included. ABC not included. Now, next point is whatever collinear points, subtract that. Whatever collinear points, you have to subtract that. So, minus 7C3 minus 8C3. That's all. That's all. That's all. Nothing more than this. That's all. It's done. It's over. So, can you tell me answer will be how much? What will be the answer? 364. So, if 364, then 364. That's all. This is the answer. That's all. This was about triangle. This was about triangle. Now, same thing is for number of lines also, but generally number of lines for TCS I have not seen. No. We should not subtract 1 at the end. Why you will subtract 1 at the end? Diagram will sometime not be given. You have to draw by yourself. You have to think out by yourself. Question was only this given. In that question, diagram they had not given. Only they had given this. Diagram they had not given. Sir, will it be 8C1 into 7C2? No, in that many things you are missing. Ahmad Basha, many things you are missing. But right now I will not explain you in that manner. It will take some time. Many things you are missing actually. Okay, fine. No calci. See, 15C3, how to solve 15C3? This represents denominator. R represents denominator. Numerator, 3 terms, that's all. 15 into 14 into 13. That's all, it is done. 15C3, it is done. Again, I will tell you. 15C3 means denominator is 3 factorial, and as 3 factorial in denominator, numerator you have to write only 3 terms, 15 into 14 into 13. If I say 15C2, then in numerator, denominator will be 2 factorial and numerator will be just 2 terms, 15 into 14, like this. And then simple calculation, you can simplify that. Some are asking why you subtracted 7C3, 8C3. How many times I have to explain same thing? I sometimes say, God, please save me. These all are collinear straight line points. If you join these points, it will not make any triangle. So I have to subtract that. If you add these 8 points, if you join these 8 points, it won't give any triangle. So I had to subtract that. Okay. So similar method is there for number of lines also. Similar methods are there for number of lines also. If, see here, if ABC will be included, so this side it will become 8 points, this side it will become 9 points. If ABC included, so total 17 points, 17C3 minus 8C3 minus 9C3. If ABC all will be included, sorry, it will be more than that. If ABC all included, then here will be 9 points, here will be 9 points, and here will be 10 points. Here will be 10 points. If ABC included, then 19C3 minus 9C3 minus 10C3. Okay. If ABC included, then this one. Now we have formula, we have method for number of lines also. Like we have many points, scattered in a space. How many lines you can draw? I have that formula, that method also. How many lines we can draw? But generally, I have not seen number of lines. Question, so I will not teach you at all this. Number of diagonals is also based on this combination, okay? Number of diagonals also based on this combination. Suppose there are n sides of a polygon. Then number of diagonals will come nc3 minus n. I could have explained you, but I will just give you formula n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Keep in mind if suppose question comes. Based on number of diagonals. Okay. This is also a concept based on combination, but I'm not going to enter into this. Keep in mind just this formula. Number of diagonals of a polygon having n side will be n into n minus 3 divided by 2, or in combination manner it can be written as nc3 minus n. Okay. And in combination, read by yourself formation of group or committee. Formation of group or committee. Okay, formation of group or committee, you try to learn. If you will ask me tomorrow, I will teach you formation of group or committee. Okay. Today now, I'm not going to do any next thing, but some questions I will ask you, which is from TCS. Some question directly I will go now. Mixed topic and all. Okay. Thank you so much. Sir, what is difference between ABC included and ABC not included? Oh my God. Seriously, ABC included means a simple thing, included. You are included in a party, means you are included. You are not included, means you are left out, you are not allowed. So here this point is A, this point is B, this point is C. So here, if I say not included, so here I have 4 points, here I have 3 points. Then triangles will be 7C3 minus 4C3 minus 3C3. But if I include ABC, then this will be also 1 point, this will be also 1 point, this will be also 1 point. Then included. In this case, triangles will be, now you can see all together how many points? 4 points, 1 point A, 1 point B, 6 points. This side how many points? 3 point was without A and C, I have 5 points. Okay. So altogether now I have 11 points. So 11C3. Now 6C3 minus 5C3. When included, so I have to count this point as 1 point, this point as another point, this point also as another point. When not included, then I don't have to count, that's all. That will be given in question. It will be given in question. Okay. A will be counted in both sides. A is common point. It will be counted in both sides. Okay. Common point, whatever will be common points will be counted in both, everywhere. Arey yaar, that was different number of points. Here I took different number of points. I'm explaining you concept. I'm not taking that question again. Please try to understand the concept. I took here 3 points and 4 points. As per that, I explained. There you said 15C3. Their number of points were different. Seriously, my head is like now. You all are from Karnataka? You all are from Karnataka, or you are from North India also? I am actually from Bihar. Let me tell you, I am from Bihar. I am from Bihar. You all are from Karnataka? Kerala, Maharashtra, from HP, Kerala, from UP, Maharashtra. Okay. Okay, majority are from South India, majority are from Karnataka, right? Majority are from Karnataka. Okay, let's relax for 1 minute. Let's relax for 1 minute. I will sing a song for you, okay? I will sing a song for you that is Kannada song. That is Kannada song. I am from Bihar, but I will sing you Kannada, okay? I'll sing Kannada song. Let me relax myself, okay? Let me relax. Okay. Okay, fine. So if you will like, you have to clap. If you like, you have to clap. Matlab, you should you clap where you are, you clap there only. If you don't like, then also you clap. Then also you clap, okay? Fine. Karunadatai sada chinmayi ee divya bhumi nanna devalaya premalaya Karunadatai sada chinmayi ee divya bhumi nanna devalaya premalaya aha ha 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 ha. Ah ha 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 ha. Did you like? Did you like? Okay. Thank you. Virtual claps. I can hear virtual claps. I can hear. Okay. Thank you. Virtual claps I can hear. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Okay, now one Hindi I will sing, okay? One song Hindi I will sing. So this mind will relax. One Hindi, okay? Okay. Fine. Yeah, I like Karnataka. I like so much because for many years I'm in Karnataka and I seriously like Karnataka a lot. I like people here and this is my home. This is like my home. Okay. Karnataka I like so much. Okay, now one Hindi song I will sing. Fine. No, not new, old I will sing, okay? मैं शायर तो नहीं मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको शायरी आ गई मैं आशिक तो नहीं मगर हंसी जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको आशिकी आ गई मैं शायर तो नहीं प्यार का नाम मैंने सुना था मगर प्यार क्या है ये मुझको नहीं थी खबर प्यार का नाम मैंने सुना था मगर प्यार क्या है ये मुझको नहीं थी खबर मैं तो उलझा रहा उलझनों की तरह, दोस्तों में रहा दुश्मनों की तरह। मैं दुश्मन तो नहीं मगर रहे हंसी, जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको दोस्ती आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं, सोचता हूँ अगर मैं दुआ मांगता, हाथ अपने उठाकर मैं क्या मांगता। सोचता हूँ अगर मैं दुआ मांगता, हाथ अपने उठाकर मैं क्या मांगता। जब से तुझसे मोहब्बत मैं करने लगा, तब से जैसे इबादत मैं करने लगा। मैं काफिर तो नहीं मगर रहे हंसी, जब से देखा मैंने तुझको मुझको बंदगी आ गई। मैं शायर तो नहीं। डन 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 डन। ओके ओके, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू। Actually, in my college time, I used to sing well. In college time, I used to sing well. But now for many years, I'm not in practice. So I sometimes don't connect properly. But 3-4 years before, I was singing well. I was singing well actually. And in many languages, I was singing in many languages. But right now, I have forgotten lyrics and all. I have forgotten. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you, thank you. But now for many years I'm not in practice, so I have forgotten. Okay. Now, now I will sing some other day. Now, no song. I'll sing some other day. Okay. Fine. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Yes, Maithili, Bhojpuri, all I can sing. Okay. All I can sing. Okay. I'm from Bihar, so obviously Maithili, Bhojpuri, obviously I can sing. But now I will not sing. Okay. I was singing Tamil also, Telugu also, Cheluka, Mama. I was singing Tamil, Telugu all, but now I left practice. This practice, I'm not in practice for last 3-4 years. So I forgot actually this lyrics and all I forgot. But Odia, I can sing. Odia, I can sing. Anybody from Odisha? Anybody's Odia? Anybody from Odisha? Anybody from Odisha? Odia, I can sing. Okay, one Odia I will sing. सुनेली सुनेली खोरा तो मोह सारा के बेदिसु गोला पिदु के बेदिसु गोरा तो ठारू झाड़ी पड़े हसचू नचू ना तो आखी मोआईना तो आखी मोआईना तो आखी मोआईना तो आखी मोआईना तो आखी मोआईना. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Yes, different day, other day, Gujarati. Sanedo, sanedo, lal, lal, sanedo. Sanedo, lal, lal, sanedo. I was singing in different language, but right now I have forgotten. Okay, I have forgotten. Please now, no song, nothing, no, nothing. See, Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil, I have forgotten the lyrics. It will come very funny, and if I don't do something properly, I will not do that. Okay. So some other time, some other day. Thank you all. Thank you all. So can we continue or shall I start tomorrow? Can we continue or I am from Begusarai district. I am from Begusarai district. Many of you are asking which district. I am from Begusarai district. Okay. So can we continue tomorrow or shall we do some more questions? Shall we do some more questions or tomorrow? Okay, tomorrow we'll join tomorrow. We'll join tomorrow and tomorrow we'll enjoy. We'll enjoy also tomorrow. Okay. Fine, all of you. Thank you so much. It was nice. to interact with you all. Thank you so much. Thank you all. We'll meet tomorrow.